The Ministry of Environment is nearing completion of a landmark integrated coastal zone management Mangrove Management Policy following a key internal review workshop held this week with support from the MACBLUE project. Alex Dadamo with the details.
The Ministry of Environment, Climate Change, Disaster Management and Meteorology is in the process of finalizing the Integrated Coastal Zone Management ICZM Mangrove Management Policy. Supported by the MACBLUE project, an internal review workshop was held today with the aim to provide a platform for key stakeholders within the government to assess and provide input on the latest draft of the ICZM Mangrove Management Policy. MACBLUE Solomon Islands National Project Coordinator Sami Airahui told SIBC TV the internal review workshop will facilitate a discussion on the finalization of the policy.
Through this internal review and the finalization of this mangrove management policy, it will represent a significant milestone in strengthening the governance and the sustainable management of the coastal ecosystem in the Solomon Islands. So the draft policy itself have integrated the feedbacks from earlier consultations and also the workshops that Hemi organize like one for today and next month and before September. Hem save them as an internal review process for key stakeholders within the government to reassess again the policy alignment with national and international environment commitments, as well as practically for the local communities across the country.
He added that in terms of collaborations, line government ministries will also share their views on the proposed policy.
In terms of the collaboration, there are other line government ministries where work together not only with the project but also with the Ministry of Environment, like the Ministry of Fisheries, Ministry of Forestry, and also as well as other NGOs where go into conservation and other parties. I think this policy will help us a lot. Through the discussion in the coming month, next month in June, I think by me focus more on what the views of other stakeholders where local government in terms of conservation of this mangrove ecosystem. So I think next month will be a good time where all stakeholders will come and by me try for relook again into this mangrove policy.
SIBC TV understands that the mangrove ecosystem are critical for the environment, health and socio-economic well-being of Solomon Islands. Alex Dadamo for SIBC TV.